What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest paid traffic method that I know, a method where you can get started right today. After this video, you can literally follow along and get started. You can get started with a small budget, and you also don't have to worry about picking out any offers. Your offer is automatically selected for you. You don't have to worry about any landing pages. You also don't have to worry about doing any competitive intelligence because you don't need any landing pages. So you don't have to worry about ads or anything like that. And you also don't have to worry about getting a domain and hosting and all this other stuff. And I'm also going to show you a way where you can track this for free, so you don't even have to worry about paying for volume, which is $150 a month. You can literally track for free. Therefore, you'll be able to optimize your campaign as well. So let's just dive right into the video. But before that, I need you to go ahead and smash that like button for me, especially if you enjoy me dropping content like this, where I help you set up campaigns, get started making money with CPA affiliate marketing so you can live the life of your dreams as well. All right, so let's just dive right into the video. And the first thing I want to go over is the automatic offer selection. So when it comes to automatic offer selection, we're going to stick to a certain type of offer. So the offer type that I'm going to use is inside YTZ. Now, if you know of these offer types on any other networks, then you can use those networks, but I like using smart links. Okay. And why do I like smart links? I like smart links because when it comes to running these type of campaigns and using this type of traffic that I'm going to be going over in this video, I like to target outside the United States. So you don't want to run this campaign inside America. And that's for all my Americans. I know I got a lot of people from all over the world, but you may target just the country that you're in and try to set up a campaign for your country because you feel like you're more comfortable with it. You're comfortable with the language. So what you need to do is think outside the box. And I'm actually going to help you think outside the box in this actual video. So I'm going to just go ahead and show you some internet speeds in other countries so you can see America isn't the only country with fast internet, and you may stay in one of these countries and actually have fast internet for yourself as well. But I just want to go ahead and show you, like, this was in 2021 what the internet speeds were, and you can just see they're pushing over 100 megabytes per second. So these are actual countries where you can set campaigns up and run these smart links, because if you run the smart links, you can see you can run it in all geos. So why would you just limit yourself to just your country or the United States? Okay. And also another tip is to run this in countries where they have a high usage of internet users. Okay. Because you maybe want to test out a certain country and it may not have a high percentage of internet users. So you want to make sure that whatever country you're testing out, that is somewhere on this list. I actually have a Google Doc that I give to my students in my private coaching because I want them to basically think outside the box. And this lists every single country that's in the world. So this is all worldwide, and then you can go out there and really check these off. I think it's over 200 or almost 200 countries. So it's literally a way for you to expand your mind and realize that there's other countries that you can target, and these other countries can be very profitable as well. I've seen it firsthand because I only give you things that I've tested myself. Okay. What you want to do is just pick whatever smart link you want to pick, but I usually stick to mainstream. If you're interested in running any of these offers, I'll leave the link below to YTZ so that you'll be able to get set up and run some of these offers for yourself. All right, so we pretty much went over automatic offer selection, how you don't need a landing page. You don't need a landing page because it's going to be a direct linking campaign. You don't have to worry about any competitive intelligence. So now that we've got over that, all we need to do is just get into the free tracking portion and why you don't need a domain. And the reason you don't need a domain is because you can use something called BMob. It's pretty simple to use. So what you want to do is you want to select new, and you want to name your campaign. So in this case, we can name it YTZ Mainstream Smart Link. And you also can put the country that you want to target. So let's just say you want to target China. You put China there. Or let's just say you want to target Australia. No, Australia converts really well, and it's on the cheap side. Smart Link. And once you've done that, just leave all this the same, and you can just do a built-in flow, and you don't need any landing pages. So you'll just turn that off, and direct linking will be enabled. So you'll just add the offer here if you don't have it in already. And if you have the offer link from YTZ, this is where you'll put it. and you'll just append a click ID. So make sure you have post back tracking set up. I already have my offer added to the platform, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add it right here, YTZ International, and I'll just hit save. And once you save that, you'll be able to see your campaign URL. You can test your campaign URL right here, so you can see what it looks like when they go to the actual campaign. But this will be the link that you use and put into Zero Park, and this is going to be our traffic source and where we get the cheap traffic from, because I know I promised this traffic was cheap at the beginning of the video, so I just want to show you how cheap this is. Okay, so we can just name this here YTZ mainstream smart link, and we can put the URL right here straight from BMob, put the S. Then from there, what you want to do is select the country, so we can say Australia, and we can select mobile. And if you want to run desktop campaigns, I would put it into its own separate campaign. I'll just keep all this broad so far, but you can see all the things you can optimize for. And this is why you want to set up BMob, because inside BMob is where you'll be able to read your reports. Once you save your campaign, you'll be able to actually go inside your reports. And then this is where you'll be able to see all the different groupings, such as the mobile carriers, connection types, browsers, operating systems. So you'll be able to go back into Zero Park, and these are things that you can optimize for later on and refine your campaign. So that's more in the optimization phase. We're more in the setup phase, but that's how you would do that. You also can day part as well. You can do run of network. I like to stick to that, but they have other different types you can test out as well. Also, you can see the suggested bid right now. It's a little competitive for Australia, but it's at 1 cent so far. And you can just set a daily budget. And I think the daily budget can be as low as $5. $5 a day at about 1-2 cents a click. You're looking at about 250 to 500 clicks per day. And because this traffic is so cheap, that's really not significant. Just realize that a lot of the traffic that you're going to be getting is just traffic that needs to be optimized. So you need to pay attention to your campaigns and make sure you're not overspending on certain source IDs and certain targets. And you can even set a budget here for sources. So you can put $3 there. Targets, you can put $3 there. So make sure you're not spending all your budget on one source or one target and you're testing out evenly. This is a bare minimum cheap traffic strategy. If you had more budget, of course, I would bump this to about 15 bucks a day just to really get a full thorough test for the day. And that's how easy it is to set up a campaign with YTZ. Like I said, I'll leave the link below in the description. If you need any help, my private coaching is available. If you need help with post back, setting up the actual campaigns, tracking, optimizing, anything, just hit me up or email me. Ask any questions below that you have. Leave it in the comments and I'll try to get back to you as well. But that's all I got for this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and be dropping more content, more videos, helping you guys get set up, make some money for yourself. All right, peace.